Forget expensive supplements. Your best immune boosters are already in your kitchen. The foods you eat daily fuel your body's defense system, helping you fight off germs and viruses. Today, we're cutting through the hype and diving into 7 powerhouse foods, all backed by science, that can help you build a resilient immune system. This isn't about fads, it's about smart, sustainable choices that keep you healthy for the long haul. Ready to upgrade your grocery list? Let's start with a juicy favorite. Number 1. Citrus fruits and the power of vitamin C. First up, citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, and lemons. They're loaded with vitamin C, a key nutrient that helps your immune cells fight off invaders and keeps your skin's barrier strong. Eating whole citrus fruits gives you fiber and antioxidants, much better than just drinking the juice. Add orange slices to your breakfast or squeeze lemon into your water for a daily immune boost. Simple, delicious, and effective. Number 2. Garlic. The antiviral powerhouse garlic. The tiny bulb with big immune benefits. Its secret weapon is allicin, a compound formed when you crush or chop garlic. Allicin helps fight bacteria and viruses, and regular garlic eaters often get fewer colds. For max benefits, let chopped garlic sit for 10 minutes before cooking. Add it to sauces, stir-fries, or roasted veggies for a flavorful immune kick. Don't be shy, your immune system will thank you. Number 3. Ginger and turmeric. Ginger and turmeric are a dynamic duo for fighting inflammation. Ginger's gingerol and turmeric's curcumin both help calm inflammation and support immune balance. For best results, pair turmeric with black pepper to boost absorption. Add these roots to soups, teas, or curries for a daily anti-inflammatory punch. They're not just tasty, they help your body stay resilient. Spice up your meals and your immune health. Number 4. Green tea and matcha. A Catechin Boost. Green tea is packed with EGCG, a powerful antioxidant that supports immune cells. It also contains L-theanine, which helps your body produce germ-fighting compounds. For an extra boost, try matcha, a concentrated form of green tea. Sip daily for a simple, soothing way to strengthen your defenses. Just watch the caffeine if you're sensitive. Probiotic foods and the gut immune connection. Did you know most of your immune system lives in your gut? Probiotic foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi feed your gut's good bacteria, helping regulate inflammation and keep your defenses strong. Look for products with live cultures and minimal added sugar. A healthy gut means a stronger, smarter immune response. Mix up your probiotic sources for the best results. Your gut and your immune system will thank you. Number 6. Nature's immune modulators. Mushrooms like shiitake and maitake are immune modulators. They help balance your immune response. Their beta-glucans train your immune cells to react quickly and effectively. Add mushrooms to stir-fries, soups, or roast them for a savory boost. Even common varieties like cremini offer benefits. Make mushrooms a regular part of your meals for smarter immunity. Delicious and powerful. Number 7. The comfort and power of immune-boosting soups. Nothing beats a nourishing soup when you're feeling run down. Start with a mineral-rich broth. Add garlic, ginger, mushrooms, and leafy greens for a bowl packed with immune-supporting nutrients. Toss in protein like chicken or lentils to help build immune cells. Homemade soup is comfort food that truly heals. Next time you're under the weather, simmer up your own immune-boosting bowl. These 7 foods are your daily allies for a stronger immune system. Consistency is key. Make them part of your regular meals, not just an occasional fix. Whole, nutrient-dense foods fuel your body's natural defenses better than any pill. Every meal is a chance to build resilience from the inside out. Which immune-boosting food is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. For more food as medicine tips, hit subscribe and stay well.